So how do you disable the camera from lock screen on an iPhone? Let me show you how it works and all the things you need to know about it. Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you will not miss anything important. So first of all, a lot of people might not like that you can swipe like this on the lock screen to reveal the camera and get to it this way, right? Even without any passcode or anything like that. And this is obviously not something that many people like. So you can actually go to the settings and open up the camera section specifically. And one of the toggles when you scroll down a little bit is the lock screen swipe to open a camera. And if you don't like this, you can turn it off and you will not be able to access your camera from the lock screen. So you just do this and it's just not going to be accessible. However, there might be one problem, and that problem might be that you do not see that very specific toggle, which I do see right now. And the reason is that this has been available only since iOS 26.1. So that is, if you're running like iOS 26 or any older versions, you will simply not be able to see that toggle. So you need to at first go to the settings and the general section and software update and get the latest version of iOS before we can proceed with anything else. Okay, but the other method of triggering camera from lock screen is by using this little button there. And if you want to remove this, just hold down on your lock screen, click on customize, and then tap on the minus icon next to the camera. And you can leave it blank if you don't want anything to be there, or you can replace it with a different toggle. So if you tap on the plus button now, you'll get to a selection of, it's an extensive selection of toggles and apps which you can trigger with the button on the lock screen. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.